Forgot your password on Instagram? No worries. I'll show you how to find it directly through mobile settings in just a few clicks. Let's get started. You can easily view your Instagram password by accessing the saved passwords on your iPhone or Android device. For this tutorial, I'm using Android. Users can obtain their Instagram password by following these steps. First, open your web browser like the Google Chrome app. From here, you need to log into your Google account to view your Instagram password. Now click your Google profile in the top right corner. Next, select Google Password Manager. Now your Google account will display a list of all the applications you're using, along with the number of accounts and their passwords you've saved. If you have a lot of applications, you can use the search bar to locate the app you need. For this tutorial, I searched for Instagram, so click on the Instagram app. At this point, you may need to verify your identity using your Gmail password, fingerprint, or device PIN. This time, I'm using a fingerprint. Remember to keep your screen private when viewing passwords. Once you're inside, select the account you wish to view the password for, then click the eye icon, which will display the password easily. Now that's it. You can recognize your Instagram password again, and you can now log in comfortably with it. Was this helpful? Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more app tutorial tips like this. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.